Have you ever accidentally deleted an important text message on your iPhone and panicked thinking it was gone forever? Well, fear not. In this video, we'll reveal the path to recovering recently deleted messages and bringing your vanished conversations back to life. On your iPhone's home screen, locate and tap on the green Messages app icon to access your text messages. In the top right corner of the Messages app, tap on the Edit option. In the Edit menu, tap on Show Recently Deleted to view a list of messages that have been deleted within the past 30 days. Scroll through the list of recently deleted messages and find the ones you want to bring back. Tap on the circles next to the messages you want to recover. You can select multiple messages if desired. Once you've selected the messages you want to restore, tap on Recover in the bottom right corner to bring them back from the digital abyss. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to recover the messages. Choose your desired option and tap on Recover again to finalize the restoration. So, there you have it. Now you know how to recover deleted messages using the Messages app and prevent accidental loss in the future. Remember to back up your iPhone regularly, double-check messages before deleting them, and explore different techniques for keeping your conversation threads organized. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.